Are you a new crypto investor? If you learn this one technique, you will be able to gain massively during this bull cycle. Are you ready? Let's break out. What's going on, my free thinking rebels? My name is Stephan Subero, and I am here to help new crypto investors safely get into crypto, avoid getting scammed, and create automation so you can spend more time with your family. So if this is you, just take 1 minute, go down this video somewhere down there, and just gently tap on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future content. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I say is based on my opinion, experience, and years of testing the charts, back testing all of these techniques, losing and making money. So please make sure you do your own research and don't just blindly do what I tell you to do. All right, so what is this magic technique I'm going to teach you today? Very simple. If you're brand new to crypto, look, this is the easiest thing you can do to really start making gains today. We're going to look at the Stochastic RSI. So what is the Stochastic RSI? The Stochastic is a momentum indicator that combines two well-known technical indicators, the Relative Strength Index and the Stochastic Oscillator. Now, this was developed by Tusher S. Chandy and Stanley Kroll and was first described in their book, The New Technical Trader, published in 1994. The Stochastic RSI is designed to provide a more precise and sensitive reading of RSI, measuring the level of RSI relative to its range over a specific period. This allows traders to identify potential overbought or oversold market conditions and adjust their trading strategies accordingly. So simply, this shows you when a specific coin is extremely overbought, which means the price needs to come down, or extremely oversold, so the price needs to go back up. So what do you do to find this Stochastic RSI? Very simple. First off, you need to open up a TradingView account. You can use a link down below if you don't have one yet. Go ahead and do so. Once you create your TradingView account, you want to check here in indicators, right? You want to search for Stochastic RSI. Here we go. You can go ahead and put the favorite star on it. That way it's easy for you to find in the future. That is going to populate the Stochastic RSI indicator at the bottom of your chart. Now, this works much better if you go onto the weekly time frame, especially if you're a new investor, new crypto trader. You probably don't want to be in and out of the market. You want to look for strong entries so you can get those solid potential gains moving forward. Okay, so the weekly time frame is going to be the best. If you click right at the top here, you'll be able to see the different time frames you can go on. Just go ahead and click on the 1 week, and it's going to give you a full picture of the specific chart that you're looking at. It's so simple that it literally takes like 2 seconds to figure it out. What you want to be doing, anytime the oscillator is below this line, you can see right here, it goes up, it comes down, it goes below this 20% line. Anytime it's below the 20% line, it means it's extremely oversold. Something needs to happen. You need to start buying the coin. So traders are looking at buying the coin at this stage, right? And when we are above this line here, which is the 80% line, right? Anything above here means that we're extremely overbought. So selling needs to happen to reduce the price. Now, if we look at this example, this is Bitcoin chart we have right here. We're going to look at this current Bitcoin cycle that we're in, and very powerful. So if we look right here, we can see we are below the line. All right, we can see right here. So this would have been a very strong buy position, okay? So I'm going to mark it right here with so you'd have bought here. And then you just hold. You hold, you check. Now, when we get to this zone right here, you see we are over how much this sell zone would have been. It would have been a 59% profit on Bitcoin. Easy trade. This is one trade you would have done, 59% gain. Now, then you go ahead and you go about your business, right? And you wait. You wait for this to reset. Now we have this next drop right here. Okay, so you would have bought right here. Look at the measure again. You would have bought right here. And look, it came up. Oh, but did it go all the way up? No, it didn't. So you're not selling. And then look, it came back down. You tested. You could have bought again. If you're dollar cost averaging, right? You could have done that. And then you're waiting. And then boom, right here, we come above. This would have been an 83% trade. Easy trade again. Let's do it one more time. So you wait for the reset. It comes back down. Let's look at it right here. Okay, so you would have bought right here. And then here we go. right at the top, this would have been a 75% increase. Easy trade. And look, these would have been 3 trades that you would have taken. Let's say the first one was December of 2022. The next one was September of 2023. And then this last one was January of 2024. Now, this is, again, this is for people who really, you don't want to be sitting down every single day looking at charts, trying to figure things out. This is an easy way for you to do it. All right, let's do it again. Let's find another chart. So let's look at Ethereum. And again, we're going to do the same thing. Let's start here in this first bottom, which was June of 2022. Okay, so let's pull out our measuring tape. So cool. So the price came down, right? Cross the bottom section. You enter, you buy some Ethereum. Then you forget about it. Oops, time goes by, June, July 2022, and then we get to about August of 2022. You see that it's above. Go ahead and sell that. That's a 99.96. Let's call that a 1x return on your investment in what, 3 months? Not too bad. Not too bad, especially when you're just sitting, drinking on the beach. I don't know, whatever you're doing, right? Whatever you do to have fun. This one right here, let's see. We cross below. Okay, let's grab our measuring tool. Here we go. And then you just sit down. You buy the coin, you sit back, and then you wait. Here we go. We're crossing above right here. This would have been a 66% trade. And then last one, let's look at this one right here. So this would have been in September of 2023. Okay, so you would have bought right here and you just chill. You go play some golf, you go to the beach, you go relax, you wait for it to come all the way back up. And here you have a 69% trade. So my way to give back to the community, if you are looking for extra help, I'm offering a 15-minute complimentary strategy session that will allow you to just really understand where you are, where you need to go. Don't waste any more time. Just use the link down below. Book a session in today. My free thinkers, that's all I got for you. I'll leave you with this beautiful quote that I think is very relevant to what we're looking at today. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. This is by someone who has a bit of common sense. I don't know who said it, but if you have common sense, this is something you should listen to. That's all I got. Let's learn, build, and grow together. Stephan out.